gonna need this for 24, and I gotta go back and get.
No, too bad. You were up there, Hoover.
I don't want to miss him.
Good boy. Good. Oh. That thing was going to tip, Mommy. I know it was going to tip.